If you're experiencing high ping while playing Fortnite, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a quick guide to help you reduce your ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing latency and improving your overall gaming performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or file sharing applications can contribute to high ping. Step 4. Change server region. In Fortnite, go to the settings menu and change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, which can lower your ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust your Fortnite settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphics settings can help your computer run the game more smoothly, which may indirectly help with ping issues by reducing the load on your system. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming.